In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect WooCommerce to N8N. Now, the first thing you want to do once you are inside N8N, you want to go ahead and click on this plus icon top right to actually open up triggers and workflows over here. And you can go ahead and look for WooCommerce. So just type in WooCommerce. There we go. It's going to pop up. And then the first thing you want to do is click on that. And then you want to basically select one of your triggers or actions. Okay, so it's completely up to you which one you select. For this instance, we're just going to go ahead and click on create a customer, but for you, you can do whatever you want. So after you do this, you'll first have to select your credentials. So here it says credential to connect with. You want to click on select credential and then create new credential. And what you have to do after this is you have to paste in the consumer key and then your consumer secret as well, and then your WooCommerce URL. So you want to go to your WooCommerce over here in WordPress. You want to just click on it and hover over WooCommerce, click on settings. And once you click on settings, the next thing is going to be advanced up top right over here. And then once you're inside your advanced mode, you want to go up here where it says REST API. And then you will have to create your API key by clicking add key. And then once you click add key, you want to go ahead and give it a description. I'm just going to type in API key for this instance. Then you want to basically select the user. I'm going to select myself. And then the permissions should be read/write. Okay, so you're going to have both. Click on generate API key, and it's going to generate a consumer key, which you should copy like this and paste in here. There we go. And then your consumer secret as well, which you should copy again and then paste inside the consumer secret. And then as you can see, this is pretty much it. And here you have to then put in your WooCommerce URL. Just type in your URL to your website. So basically to your WordPress site URL, I'm going to go ahead and type in instanthowto.com. Even though this does not exist, it doesn't really matter for this tutorial. And then you want to click on save. It's going to go ahead, start testing. It's not going to be able to connect for me because, as you can see over here, I don't actually own this URL. But of course, whenever you will put in your correct URL, you'll be able to go ahead and connect, and you will not be getting this error anymore. In case you're getting any more errors, you can just click on Open Docs up here. It's going to take you to a separate site from N8N, and you can go ahead and troubleshoot them down here. As you can see, it's going to say how to resolve the consumer keys missing error, etc. So that's pretty much it. That's how you connect it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.